Welcome to this meditation. Today we'll focus on finding peace when thoughts of someone seem to consume your mind. It's natural to think about the people we care about, especially when we can't be with them. But when these thoughts start to take over our daily lives, it can be helpful to step back, acknowledge these feelings, and allow them to become a gentle part of our experience rather than something that dictates our every thought. This meditation will help you find balance, acceptance, and calmness in your thoughts. Let's begin. Start by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow your body to begin relaxing with each breath, letting go of any tension in your muscles. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the surface beneath you. Take another slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel yourself becoming more present in this moment, in this space. Let go of any distractions from your day and simply focus on the rhythm of your breath. Breathe in calmness and exhale any tension or restlessness you may be carrying. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, remind yourself that you are here to give your mind and heart some space, allowing yourself to feel more grounded, more at ease. Bring your awareness to the person who's been occupying your mind. It's okay to think about them. Whether you miss them or are simply caught up in thoughts about them, know that these feelings are normal. It's a natural part of being human to think about people, especially those who we feel a strong connection to. So take a moment to observe how thinking about them makes you feel. Do you notice any tightness in your chest? Any tension in your stomach? Or maybe warmth in your heart? Allow yourself to feel whatever comes up without judgment. Just observe. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, soften into these feelings. Let go of any resistance to them. You don't need to push these thoughts away, but you also don't need to let these thoughts take over your mind. Now imagine your mind as a vast, open sky. Your thoughts about this person are like clouds moving across that sky. Some clouds are light and gentle. Others may feel heavier or more intense, but no matter how big or small they are, they're all just passing through. They don't define the sky. They are simply a part of it. As you breathe, visualize these thoughts as clouds in your mind's sky, You don't need to chase them or make them go away. Simply watch them drift, knowing that they're a part of your experience, but not all of it. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow the clouds to move naturally without trying to control them. Your thoughts about this person are allowed to exist, but they don't need to dominate your sky. There's room for these thoughts, just as there is room for other things in your life. Turn your attention back to your body. Often when we can't stop thinking about someone, we forget to check in with ourselves. So take this moment to focus inward. Notice how your body feels right now. How is your breath moving in and out of your lungs? How does the air feel on your skin? Is there any tension you've been holding on to without realizing it? With each breath, allow yourself to relax a little more deeply. As you breathe, imagine creating space within yourself. Space for your own needs, your own emotions, and your own energy. This space is yours, and it's always there for you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself expanding into this space. Feel grounded and secure within yourself. Now let's bring balance to your thoughts. Instead of trying to push thoughts of this person away, I want you to imagine holding them gently in your mind. You don't need to focus on them intensely, but rather let them rest softly in your awareness, like holding something delicate in your hands. Take a moment to acknowledge the role this person plays in your life or in your mind right now. Whether they're someone you miss or someone you can't be with right now, allow yourself to feel that connection without letting it overwhelm you. You are in control of your attention, and you can gently shift it when you need to. Slowly begin to bring your attention back to the present moment. Feel the rise and fall of your breath, the sensation of your body resting, and the quiet stillness around you. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more rooted in the here and now. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently bring your focus back to yourself. You are here in this moment, and that is where your attention belongs. The thoughts about this person will come and go just like clouds, but you are always here, steady and grounded in the present. Feel the peace that comes from knowing you can carry thoughts of this person without letting them take over your mind. There's room for both them and for you. As we begin to close this meditation, take a moment to offer yourself acceptance. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to release any need to control or fix your thoughts. You can accept that thoughts will come and go, but that you are capable of finding balance. With each breath, feel a sense of calm and acceptance growing within you. You're allowed to think, feel, and care deeply, but you're also allowed to focus on yourself and your present life. As you prepare to return to your day, take one last deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the lightness in your chest, the calm in your breath, and the space you've created within yourself. Gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. As you move through your day, remember that it's okay to think about someone, but it doesn't need to dictate your thoughts. You are whole and complete just as you are. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing with you the sense of calm and acceptance. Return to this sense of balance and peace whenever you need, knowing that you're capable of holding space for both your thoughts and yourself. You are whole and complete just as you are.